Now let's talk about this rule in detail. When a letter has tanween, the word tanween means fathatain, kasratain, and dhammatain. And the next letter is ya or waw. We have to connect these signs with them. And the same thing with noon sakina. I mean, if there is a noon sakina and the next letter ya or waw is coming, that time also we have to merge the sound of noon with ya and waw. So let's take few examples and you will get this rule very easily. For example, we have letter ra with fathatain, that is run. If the next letter is ya, so we have to connect this fathatain, I mean run sound, with ya. It becomes rai, and we have to stretch this sound for 2 seconds. And the next syllable is ya. It becomes raya. And also we can write this run sound like that. And this is also run. Here we have the example of noon sakina. This is right now noon sakina. And now if the next letter is ya, so also we have to merge this run sound with ya. This example also becomes rai and then ya, raya. So it means 2 writing styles and 1 pronunciation. Now we can take example of kasratain. For example, we have letter dal. It has kasratain, and that is then. And if the next letter ya is coming, so then sound is going to merge with ya, or we can say then sound is going to connect with ya. It becomes the. It's little tricky sound, but focus on my pronunciation. Then sound is going to connect with ya. It becomes the. And second step is ya. This example is the ya. And now if we are going to open this then, so also we can write it like that with noon. Right now letter noon is available in writing, so that is also then. And if the next letter is ya, so also we have to merge this then sound with ya. It also becomes the and ya. So the same thing, 1 pronunciation and 2 writing styles. Okay, now we can take example of dhammatain. For example, we have letter mim with dhammatain and the next letter ya is coming. So we have to connect dhammatain with ya. Sound becomes mui. The letter noon, which is inside the dhammatain, that noon becomes nasal sound. So the first syllable is mui and then ya, mui ya. And also, for example, letter noon is available in writing, so also this is mun. And if the next letter is ya, so also this mun sound is going to merge with ya. It becomes mui ya. So the same pronunciation, and we have 2 writing styles. And the same thing we have to do with waw. Let's take an example of letter waw. For example, we have again letter ra with fathatain, and now the next letter is waw. So the same thing we have to do. This run sound is going to merge with waw. It becomes raw, and the second part is wa. This example becomes rawa. And if we are going to write this run like that, and then the next letter is waw, so also we have to connect this run sound with waw. It becomes rawa. And same thing with kasratain. For example, we have letter mim with kasratain, and the next letter waw is coming. So we have to connect this min sound with waw. Obviously letter waw has no connecting sign, but we have to connect. That's the rule, what you can see here. So now the sound becomes mew, and then for example right now waw has fatha, so it becomes mewa. And don't forget, we have to stretch this sound for 2 seconds. And for example, this min sound is written in this way. That is also min. And if the next letter is waw, so also this min is going to merge with waw. It becomes miwa. Last part. For example, we have letter ba, and it has dhammatain, and the next letter is waw. So what we have to do, that this bun sound is going to connect with waw. So instead of saying bun, it becomes boom. We have to connect it with waw, and we have to stretch this sound, and then boom wa. And if for example bun is written like that with noon, letter noon is available in writing, so it becomes bun. And now if the next letter is waw, this bun is going to connect with waw. It becomes boom wa. I hope you got it. Now inshallah we are going to solve few real examples, and on those examples we'll apply this rule, and then inshallah you will get more.